So student, let's start exercise 3.4. First question of exercise 3.4 is, tell whether the following is certain to happen, impossible, can happen but not certain. In this question, we are given different situations and we need to determine whether situation is surely going to occur, or whether the situation is never going to occur, or whether the situation can occur but it is not 100% sure. It means it is uncertain. It can happen or it cannot happen. This we have to tell in this question. Now first part is, you are older today than yesterday. Students, answer to this question is yes, it is certain to happen. Reason for that is, as we all know that we age every day, which means we are getting older day by day. We are growing, so it is certain to happen. So we cannot change it. It is certain situation. So we have to write yes, it is certain to happen. Second part of question number 1 is, a tossed coin will land heads up. Students, answer to this question is can happen but not certain. As I have already explained you this situation in my introductory video, that it can be possible that head can come, or it can be possible that head cannot come. So it can happen but not certain. Third part of question number 1, exercise 3.4 is, a dice when tossed shall land up with 8 on top. Student, answer to this question is impossible. Why? Because in dice only 6 numbers are there. Only 6 numbers are there. 3, this one 6. 6 numbers are there. 8 number is not there. So it is impossible that a dice when tossed shall land up with a 8 on the top. Now fourth part is, the next traffic light seen will be green. So answer to this question is, it can happen but not certain, because the next traffic light can be green or cannot be green. So we are not 100% sure that it can be green. It can be red also or yellow also. So we are not 100% sure. So answer is can happen but not certain. Now fifth part, that is the last part of question number 1 is, tomorrow will be a cloudy day. So answer to this question is can happen but not certain, because it can be a cloudy day or it cannot be a cloudy day. We are not 100% sure about that. It can be a cloudy day or not. So answer is can happen but not certain. Now we will solve question number 2 of exercise 3.4. So question number 2 of exercise 3.4 is, there are 6 marbles in a box with numbers from 1 to 6 marked on each of them. First part is, what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2? And second part is, what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 5? So let's solve question number 2 of exercise 3.4. So let's solve first part of question number 2. Total number of marbles in a box, that is equal to 6. Therefore, total number of outcomes, that is equal to 6. Outcomes means result or possibility. So probability of drawing a marble with the number 2 is 1 of the 6 outcomes. Out of 6, possibility of coming 2 number is only 1. So according to the formula, number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Now number of favorable outcomes is equal to 1 and total number of outcomes, that is equal to 6. So probability is equal to 1 upon 6. So we can say that probability of drawing marble with number 2 is 1 upon 6. So student, let's solve second part of question number 2. And that is, what is the possibility of drawing a marble with number 5? So total number of marbles, that is equal to 6. That is already given in your question. Therefore, total number of outcomes, that is 6. So probability of drawing a marble with number 5 is 1. It means out of 6, 5 number can come only one time. One of the 6 outcomes. So according to the formula is number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. So number of favorable outcome, that is equal to 1, because there is only one possibility of coming 5 number from the 6 marbles. So that is equal to 1 upon 6. So our answer will be 1 upon 6. So probability is equal to 1 upon 6. Students, let's solve question number 3 of exercise 3.4. A coin is flipped to decide which team starts the game. What is the probability that your team will start? So student, let's solve question number 3 of exercise 3.4. When a coin is flipped, total number of outcomes, that is equal to 2. It may be head or tail. So getting probability of head or tail, that is equal to number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. So that is equal to getting probability of head, that is 1 upon 2. Getting probability of tail, that is also 1 upon 2. So our answer will be 1 upon 2. Probability of getting head or tail, that is equal to 1 upon 2. So student, answer to the second question of question number 3, that is, what is the probability that your team will start, is the probability that my team will start is 1 upon 2. So student, this is the end of exercise 3.4 and chapter 3, that is data handling. We will meet again with our next chapter, that is simple equations, in our next video. Up till then, goodbye.